Hello everyone. In first class, we have studied the definition, basic concept of forestry, objective of silviculture, and classification. Today, we are going to take the new chapter, regeneration of forest. So, regeneration means it is a replacement of old trees by using the new one. So, from natural or artificial means. So in case of pictures, we can see the definition also. The renewal of forest crop by natural or artificial means is known as the regeneration. It has two types: natural regeneration and artificial regeneration. So natural regeneration means renewal of forest crop by self-sown seed or by copies or root sucker. Okay, it is natural seeding. When plant will produce the seed, it will fall down and it will germinate naturally. Is known as natural regeneration. It is also called as reforestation. Okay, so natural regeneration occurs from seed, uh, from copies or root suckers. So we can take the one by one. So first, natural regeneration from seed. It depends upon the seed production, seed dispersal, germination, and establishment. If any plants want to germinate, they have to produce first seed. So after producing the seed, that seed will disperse from one place to another place. So after that, they will germinate and they will establish. So these are the points we can take one by one. So first is seed production. Seed production depends upon the various factors like species, age of trees, site, weather condition, season of maturity, alternate bearing, attack of pest and disease, and birds. These factors is very uh, responsible for seed production. So in case of seed production, there are one concept: good seed year. So when plant is failed to germinate seed, fail to produce seed up to 5 years. After 5 years, next year that plant will produce more seed, more number of seed. That is known as good seed year. Okay. After getting the seed production, so it will disperse from one place to another place. So some agency is there, important agencies. That agency will transfer that seed from one place to another place, like wind, water, animal, explosive mechanism. So when that seed transfer from one place to another place by using the wind is known as anemochory. But where it is happen in, it is happen in cold region. So in those seed having the light weight, like orchid seed, so that seed will transfer easily. Okay, next is water. So it is a hydrochory. Okay, seed transfer from one place to another place. Where it will occur? It will occur near the coastal, near the water area. We can take the example coastal region. So in that coconut, palm trees, etc. So next is animals. So some birds will transfer that seed from one place to another place. So it will fall down and it will germinate. Okay. Next is seed dispersal. After seed dispersal, seed germination is there. So there everyone knew that there are two types of seed: hypogel and epigel. Hypogel means below the ground, uh, and epigel means above the ground. Okay, this is the main concept. So when that seed germination is there, it depends upon several factors. So there are two types of factors: is there internal and external. It includes the permeability of seed coat, availability of moisture in seed, oxygen, nature of embryos, dormancy, temperature, moisture in soil, oxygen and light. Beside these factors, some more factors is there: age of trees, flowering phase, then sound or health of seed condition, then soil type, nutrition, then size of seed, etc. Or one more things is there, while seed germination capacity is very important. When we are going to select the seed, that seed select must selects from the middle edge of the plant, because when that collecting seed from middle edge of the plant, it has the uh, more capacity than younger or old plant. Then seedling establishment. After germination, seedling establishment is there. So while seedling establishment, some factor is there. They are they are responsible for that. So it includes climatic, edaphic, biotic, and genetic. So in case of climatic, so it includes the temperature, rainfall, and humidity. So some of the plants like a teak or sal, that plants having the large leaf expansion area. So because of that, that plants require the more light. Okay. So some plants require the less light. Okay. Next is edaphic factors. Edaphic factors means in conifers, they require low light, and leaf shading is more. So because of leaf shedding, that leaf fall down on the ground, so then layer will increase. So low rate of the decomposition, so it will increase the mechanical barriers. So when it will increase the mechanical barriers, when that seed fall down, it will not able to reach up to soil, and it will fail to germinate. uh, Next is uh, biotic factors. In case of biotic factors, many types of fungi and bacteria will attack. Uh, Many types of fungi and bacteria attack is more. Because of that attack, mortality rate will be high. Then browsing of animals problems is there. Okay, next is genetic factors. Genetic factors means every tree has the genetic makeup. So it includes the fast growth rate, hardness, and morphological characters. So those plants having the heat hardness, it will it that heat because be- those plant having the heat hardness, it include it because of chlorine content. Next is coming to the next point, natural regeneration by copies. So copies means what we can see in the pictures. These are the cutted plant. So when we are cutting the plants above the ground level, so when it will germinate, these stems we will call the copies. Okay, this is known as copies. Okay, it has the classification. It having the classification. So classification include the 4 points like seedling copies, stool copies, root collar, and pollard shoot. So in case of seedling copies, we can see in the pictures, uh, seedlings will produce seedlings, new plants, that is the seedling copies. In case of seedling copies, shoot copies arising from the base of the seeding that have been cut or burned back. Okay, next is stool copies. It will look like a stool when it will cut from above the ground. It will look like a stool. When will germinate, new flush come when it will germinate, that is known as stool copies. Then root collar we can see in the pictures. Here a root collar is there, collar region of the stem and root, that is root collar. So next is pollarding. Next is pollard shoot. The pollard shoot means we can see in the pictures. So pollarding is doing, already we have studied in basic concept of forestry. Pollarding means cutting of branches. But when we are cutting the branches, it that mag means it require the height for from avoiding the browsing of animals. Uh, so some example is there, like a salix plant, Hardwickia benata plant. So these are the plants where we are doing the pollarding. Uh, this is our classifications. Uh, Thank you. Is our natural regeneration of plants. So many types we have studied today. So in next class we will study the artificial regeneration. Thank you.